Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of January the 26th to February the 1st. Over at Walgreens, we have one freebie and lots of very nice deals, and it is a new month over at Walgreens. So the first thing off the top are these two boosters. We have a 9-pack when you spend $45 and 6-pack when you buy 4 selected dental care products. So I would definitely go to your digital coupons folder at the very top and then check, are these there, aren't they there, and then load them right away. You have nothing to lose with these boosters, so load them because there might be a deal as the week marches on where you desperately need it and you don't want to be caught short-handed. Now, if you are in a region that the roads are snow-packed, roads are closed, I really recommend to pass, obviously, and to stay home and be safe. And a big thumbs up to all the ladies and gents who are doing that, because guess what? Deals always come back. There is no dire need to run out and go and do all these deals. They always come back over at Walgreens. So just be safe out there, guys. And thumbs up to safe driving on these really bad roads, because they are not fun. Unless you have like Blizzak winter tires and you grew up driving in this, I would stay home and be safe. Treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, the 26th. And as I stated earlier, lots of the P&G coupons are expiring on Saturday. And on Sunday, we're going to get a new crop of them, so it'll go perfectly with some of these deals. Now, for this first deal, we're definitely going to have to go into that app on Sunday and then see the best digital coupons that are attaching to this deal, because they've really diversified what is included with a buy 4, get back a $5 register reward on P&G. But typically, if you grab 4 of the laundry care products, a diversification of products, 4 of them is $21.96. And there's usually about $5 in digitals that attach. So you would pay $16.96, get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per product. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to earn that register reward. And let's remember, class register rewards are in-store only. Those paper coupons only print in-store. For curbsides, they do not print. Look at this promotion, $5 to $11. $5 is there. And if you read how it's punctuated, care, bath, comma, hair, or deodorant. Shampoos are typically $5. Grabbing 2 of them at $5 a pop, that's 10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 4. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per Dove shampoo. That is a very good price point. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And photograph your receipt to fetch rewards. You may have a rebate. Unfortunately, I don't have one on my account, but you may have one because sometimes there are different Dove rebates on fetch. Moving it along, we have the $4 Colgate with a 4 off 2 digital coupon. That is new. $3 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these products at $4 a pop, that's 8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay 4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. So what a deal, 50 cents. I mean, I love to get this stuff for free, but 50 cents is also not bad. Okay, the Head & Shoulders at $6. I have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. I would double check if you might have it and load it right away. $3 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of the cheaper $6 bottles, that's 12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 8. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per Head & Shoulders. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And check IBOTTA if there might be a rebate for Head & Shoulders as the week marches on. They sometimes have different Head & Shoulders promotions. Maybe there's one for this one. The Olay and Old Spice body washes at $7, $5 reward when you buy 3. And we also have a digital coupon that's very similar to that of 5 off 3. Grabbing 3 of these for $21, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $16. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11 for the 3 or $3.66 per unit. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Old Spice, sometimes there's IBOTTA rebates. Double, triple check if you may have one. And this might be your big payday. Moving it along to the Scott at $5 on a BOGO 50% off. So grabbing two of them, it would be $7.50. Obviously, you can use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. We also have to check in case there might be some digital coupons that fall in to our accounts on Sunday. And I would check the different rebate apps like Swag Bucks or Checkout 51 if they might have a dollar rebate for both. Wouldn't that be lovely? So let's double, triple check that for cheap paper. We also have this, which is the $9.99 Venus and Gillette $8 reward when you purchase two. They had a very similar promotion the week previous. Now, I had purchased some clearance razors that were these men's ones, and I paid like $8 and some change for two of them, and that $8 register reward printed, so it made each razor 29 cents. So if you want to take a leap of faith with some of the clearance razors, by all means make it happen, because we love free on this channel, don't we? Now, I'm predicting for both of these, there's probably going to be a $3 digital, dropping it down to $9.99 for the Tide Pods and the liquid, which is magical. I would love to see some sort of like, buy two, get $4 back, but maybe something will pop up. Maybe it won't, but I just really wish they give us a little bit more for P&G deals. Wouldn't that be just fantastic? And then the Arm & Hammer are 2 for $5. That is one of the deals of the week. I prefer it when it's $2 a pop instead of paying $2.50 per. But if this is your favorite thing, by all means. I personally would do the bigger basket for $21.96 to get the P&G laundry care for $2.99. More of a preference for that line. Okay, now we're going to talk about some quick honorable mentions, and this guy is actually a freebie. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Valentine's Day cards, and there is a $2 coupon, and it's not attaching with the app in the store, but if you want to take a leap of faith and grab two of them, yes, they will ring up completely free. I did that the week previous, and it worked. We have a 10 back when you spend 20 on Aquaphor, Nivea, Eucerin, those products. Obviously, for a curbside deal, we'll investigate that a little bit more, but why not? We love cheap lotions and potions. Buy 4, get a $4 register reward, and there's lots of smaller Febreze products. What else is included? This small space will be, cheap, but I'd like a lot more included with digital coupons to make it a better deal. And we have our friends, the Pop-Tarts that are buy one, get one free, and they are the 8 counters. Sometimes online, there are, the 16 counters that are part of the promotion, so double, triple check for that. Final food deal is the 2 for $10 on the DiGiorno. Back in my day when I used to love pizza, definitely the Supreme with the onions. Oh, that used to be one of my favorites back in the day. Now, before I take off into the big sunset, let's not forget, if you are out and about this weekend, the Dollar General still has their quarter Christmas sale going. I made several videos on it. Everything from napkins, 2-count deodorants by Old Spice. Like, there's some weird stuff that's included. You might want to go to your store and tiptoe around. And Ross's Dress for Less on the 27th. Most stores should be starting to mark down on items from as low as 49 cents. It's usually $49.99, $1.99, right up to $6 is the magic part. So you might want to check out videos on these subjects. I will link them right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.